Hi, my name is Alex Abraham, and I'm the lead coding architecture of this project. And I will be informing you of what our project is, our client, and then demonstrating our webpage for you. So, this is the DSA project, DSA blog, and what it is it's a blog site for students to be informed or notified of new information within DSA, like news, events, and domain electives. Our client is Professor Ganai and the DSA. So the first page we're looking at is actually our landing page. It shows you an overview of DSA. There's a description of it, and on the right is our sidebar with the three most recent blog posts. In our and the technology we used, by the way, this is using JavaScript. Specifically, we used React as our library, and Gatsby was our framework. We used Netlify to host on our webpage. You can see right here, Netlify, and we used Discuss for comments, which I will show you later. So this is on our nav bar. This is the home page, landing page. These are our categories, and this is the login, tags, and about page. One thing I can quickly show you, when we're clicking the home page, the page doesn't refresh, or if you go to news and back here, there's no reloading, it just instantly goes. That was something we implemented to make it more smooth for users. We can go to the news page. So on our news page, these are all blog posts related to news. In descending order, actually. So 6 would be the first one, the newest one by date, and then October 24th, and then 5th, which is October 16th. We had all posts on one page, but after testing with some students, they preferred, it was a little overwhelming, so they preferred us splitting it up. So we had pagination. So on the second page, you would see the fourth post and third post still in descending order on the third, second, and first. In a post, you will see the title, or the type of post it is, the title, name, date, author, and then a description. You will meet tags related to the post, and then a read more button. You click on the read more button to go to, this is the sixth post, to go to the single page view of the sixth post. You could also click on the image or the title here. Another thing to make it easier for students, we don't want to make anything more challenging than anyone. You know, this is a place where you just come, read, enjoy. So on the sixth post, here's the image, the date, the author description. This is a really short post, and then tags. What we implemented new from the last time was we added comments, a comment page. So students will be able to, this was a huge requirement from our client, students will be able to, read the blog post and comment what they think about it. And they'll be able to spell correctly. You will post as Alex Abraham. And a few seconds ago, Alex posted, I have a mod badge from here and here. Angel, who was a student in our class, left a comment saying this is an awesome implementation. Now, because our site is live, she did it from her computer, and it's still here. I could view it on my computer. I could go ahead and as a mod, or a DSA committee, which would be two roles we are giving. You could go and delete this message, mark as spam, block the user, and then only moderator can ban the user. I won't, because there was already another student that I did delete, and it's gone, and I don't want to delete the only other comment that is someone else, so I'm going to delete my old comment. This comment was deleted, and if we were to refresh the page, it is gone forever, never coming back, which is great. What we wanted. So you could like, tweet, share, you could reply. Wow, spelling is hard these days. And you could edit to put more grammatical, to fix your grammatical mistakes, which I did that on purpose to prove to you the edit function works. Yeah, I didn't mess that up on purpose by accident. Um, and then she will actually get an email saying that someone replied to her comment. So, not just can you like a post, could you tweet it, share it, leave a comment. There's even more. Let's say you like posts like this. You could go, I want to see more posts that have to do with JavaScript. You click on JavaScript and you will be met with a page that has a counter and will tell you there are 2 posts tagged with JavaScript. One being the 6th post, which we were just at, and the other being the 5th post. You can read more. You can leave a comment. Dr. Aka left a comment and it's still here. You could go to events, realize there's 2 posts with events, 5, 3. I think tutorial has 3. Yeah, tutorial has 3, which is 6, 5, and 3. Yeah, and that's how our blog posts look, how the tags kind of function, and the comments. The sidebar works the same way. Click on 6, you're still here. 5 will take you to 5. 4 will take you to 4. There you go. I was a little worried there that it didn't do it. And same for the events page and the domain electives page. So something new we added was the login page. I'm already logged in, and that's how I was able to see the news, events, and domain electives page. So I'm gonna log out, and I'm gonna log back in. I'm gonna make a mistake first so you can see that it'll catch an error. No user was found with that email or password. So I will do it correct this time. I think I made a mistake there. Yes, and I am logged in. And if I refresh the page and check the login, I am still logged in. Yep, no matter how many times I try, I will be logged in. And I'll be able to look at the news, events, and domain electives. So let's say, oh, it's cool I can see the tags from here, but I wish I could see what all the tags look like. Well, the cyber tracers have implemented that for you too. You can go to the tags page and you will see all tags, domain, code, news, design, etc., with a counter on the right of how many there are for that. So tutorial had the most at 3, and we can click them here to prove it. That yep, 3 posts, 6, 5, and 3. Same for resume has only 1, and same for the rest. The about page isn't finished because we don't know who the members of the DSA are, but we plan on adding our client, the members, and the cyber chasers, which is our team that worked on this. So the only other thing I could show you is just how our blog is made. In Visual Studios, anyone could just go to posts, new file, and create a post using Markdown. You would just type in your title, so second post, so testing post, the date, the author, an image you wanted to use in the image folder provided. There are already some there. And this is how you do tags. And then the description. And then after that, maybe a minute or two, our Netlify will deploy or rebuild and then deploy it, and then you'll be able to see your new posts. Now, the remainder of this video would be for the moderator and the DSA team. So moderator some things that they, some powers that they have compared to an ordinary user is that they will have access to Netlify. They can see deploys, and most importantly, something that our client asked us is they want to be able to see users, create roles. So Alex is an admin and Sebastian is a DSA committee member. And to be able to, let's say, Tyson, I could click here and I could delete a user. Or if Tyson forgot his password, he could tell us and we will send Tyson, that is the email he used. Let's see if someone used an actual email. Taylor, I'm counting on you. You could send Taylor a reset password email at her GDC email for her. Students can also do it by themselves too, but just a little extra thing. And we can give her a role if we want to make her a DSA member, or wow, she's killing it, let's make her another moderator. Yep. So through this identity page, the mod will be able to look at any new people who join, any new users, invite users, and delete users. The DSA committee will be able to create posts using Markdown and also be able to delete comments. And they'll be given a star and a badge indicating that they are a position of a higher position than a normal student, so people could take their answers and responses seriously. Yes, and that is the DSA blog post made by the Cyber Chasers 2020. Thank you.